Hello, guys. I hope you are doing well enough in your life. Without wasting your precious time, let's get to know about the Sheriff DG. Yes, of course, I'm talking about the Sheriff DG. Most of the people right now working under the Sheriff DG because Sheriff DG operates in UAE. And if you are living in UAE, I think you know about the Sheriff DG. Even if you are like going to Sheriff DG, if you are going to visit in UAE, why not check this video before going to UAE? Even Sharaf DG provides a multiple vacancies for the people. So if you are unemployed, I think you can watch this video, and after watching this video, it will help you to get selected in Sharaf DG job. Right now in Noida, Gurugram, Delhi, Sharaf DG hires multiple employers for it. So let's go and understand. So let's understand first of all Sharaf DG. Sharaf DG is a major electronic and home appliances retailer. Home based in the United Arab Emirates, UAE. It was established in 2005 as the part of Sharaf Group, a diversified business conglomerate founded in 1968. Sharaf DG began as a 15,000 square foot electronics store in Dubai and has since expanded to operate 38 stores across the UAE, Bahrain, Qatar, Oman. So let me tell you what is the conglomerate. Okay, think that it is the family of businesses. Okay, it is the family of businesses all owned by one big parent company, which is a Sharif DG. So under Sharif DG, there are multiple process, not even a single electronic, but a lot of product is sold by the Sharif DG. This is the reason it is a conglomerate. Okay, so this after this slide I will talk about the more information about this. Okay, just wait. Now let's understand why Sharaf DG is also called a conglomerate. Okay, because it offers a multiple product services. Okay, first of all, electronic. Electronic means smartphone, laptop, tablet, TV, cameras, gaming console from leading brands like Apple, Samsung, LG, Sony, and Dell. Okay, not like Infinix, something else, not Nokia. So another one is home appliances, which means the accessories of home appliances, refrigerator, washing machine, air conditioner, microwaves, vacuum cleaners from the brands such as Bosch, Panasonic, Whirlpool. Okay, another one is home living, which means the furniture, okay, kitchenware and home decor items, audio video speakers, headphones, sound bars and home theater system. This is the reason it is called a conglomerate. Okay, because conglomerate means the multiple services provided by one big company. Daily deals, regular discounts, promotions on various products including the electronics and home appliances. But no worry, it is not sufficient right now for you. Okay, so let's we are moving forward to make the another slide. Just wait. Customers can shop both online and offline, which means the physical stores. Okay, so like if you want to buy any product and you are not able to go outside, just use the website of Sharaf DG. You can use the mobile application of Sharaf DG. Okay, also if you do not want to buy anything else online, just go in the physical store. Okay, and the online platform offers features like free shoppings, cash on delivery options, easy returns. Sharaf DG also provides after sales services through Sharaf DG Help. Their authorized service center. Let me tell you where are they. Store location I have put here, so you can check out also by using the website of Sharaf DG as well as. Okay, and Mall of Emirates, Abu Dhabi Mall, City Center Dera, Ibn Battuta Mall. Okay, let's talk about the services provided by the Sharaf DG. Okay, Sharaf DG is the part of Sharaf Group. Okay, I already told you from starting the video. A diversified business conglomerate established in 1968. Okay, and the Sharaf group operates in various sectors including shipping, logistic, retail, travel information technology, financial services, hospitality, real estate, education, and manufacturing. So manufacturing, okay. I can say the headquarter in Dubai, okay, and it is located under the, as I already told you, in UAE, okay. The group has operations in 40 countries across the Middle East, Africa, the Indian subcontinent, and the Asia. Employing over means giving the opportunity to work under the Sharaf DG over 9,500 people from diverse nationalities from the different countries. Okay, so this was the video, will definitely help you. To be honest, this video is going to help you much more than any video can help. Okay, because this video is giving you opportunity to work under Sharaf DG. Also, it is giving the all information that is mostly will be used if you are going to like give the interview. Okay, so thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great day. Take care.